Let's add a cover to our Notion space. We're going to click Add Cover, and you'll see an automatic image come up. Click Change Cover, and you'll see that Notion has a bunch of kind of like default images that you can use for your Notion space. Also upload your own image, a link from the web, or use stock photos from Unsplash. These are beautiful stock photos, and I'm going to choose something purple because purple is my favorite color and it's also my brand color. You can also reposition this image so you can get just the right spot of this image for your cover page. Click Save Position, and you have your new cover page. Now you can remove this cover page as well by clicking Change Cover and Remove. And that's how you add a cover to your Notion space.